Hello and welcome to our latest video on the exciting AI news. AI technology, particularly generative AI, has been a hot topic, and this trend now extends to video creation. QuickVid is a web service that allows you to automatically generate short videos for popular platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. It's a combination of multiple generative AI systems all rolled into one tool, making it easy for anyone to create their own videos. To use QuickVid, you simply enter a prompt describing the subject you want to make a video about. QuickVid uses GPT-3's generative text capabilities to generate a script based on your prompt, and then extracts keywords from the script or allows you to enter them manually. From there, QuickVid selects a background video from a royalty-free stock media library and uses DALL-E 2 to generate overlay images. It then combines all of these elements using Google Cloud's text-to-speech API to output the narration and create the final video. One thing to note is that while QuickVid uses generative AI to create videos, it does so in a repetitive, templated format by combining existing AI to create visuals. The quality of these videos can be a bit mixed, but creator Daniel Habib is working to improve QuickVid and add more personalization options in the near future. QuickVid users retain the rights to commercially use the content they create and have permission to monetize it on platforms like YouTube. However, the copyright status of AI-generated content is still somewhat unclear, so it's possible that QuickVid could be affected by this issue in the future. Google has stated that it does not treat ranking-related synthetic text differently from human-written text, as long as the content is not intended to manipulate rankings and is helpful to users. The generative AI revolution is unstoppable, and it will be interesting to see how QuickVid and other AI-generated video tools evolve in the coming years and how they impact on video creation industry.